The air is thick with a fragrance that moves in slow sine waves, a sweetness drifting at the edges, and in that sweetness, something else, something alive, green, crisp, yet softened by the warmth that carries it. Then, a breath of wind stirs, setting the light into motion. It shifts and shimmers and golden flickers, tracing contours across the face. And with the fragrance, the air carries a whisper of sound. A single note arrives alone, a crystalline ping. Then, a few more, some higher, some lower, arriving together, hinting of melodies. A chiming that rises and falls with the breeze, unpredictable, bright for a moment, then fading, like a memory wanting to surface. Sweet, green, golden.